Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So, students, we have completed our first chapter that is computer languages and number system. Okay. Now the time is for doing our copy work and book work. So this video is for your answer sheet. You can say your book work and copy work both. First of all, you have to open your book to chapter number 1, that is computer languages and number system. Okay, then open the page number 13. Here is given, tick the correct one. This is your book exercise. First of all, we have to fill the book exercise. Okay, let's start. Here is given, first question is tick the correct one. In the tick the correct one, first one is which language a computer understand directly. Okay, students. First one is assembly language, second machine language or C++ language. What is the answer of this question? This is machine language. We have discussed earlier now. कंप्यूटर कौन सी लैंग्वेज समझता है? मशीन लैंग्वेज. मशीन लैंग्वेज इज which one? 0 and 1 form. So we have discussed, we have shown here the first answer is B. You can say in your slide also. Okay. So next one is which of the following is considered as low level language? Low level language means what are the low level language? Machine and Fortran? No. Machine and assembly? Yes. Machine and assembly both languages are comes in low level. Okay. Next is which of the following languages is closer to human language? So we have discussed earlier that which language is closer to human languages means जिसको human ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं, जो हमारे जल्दी से समझ में आ जाती है, वो कौन सी लैंग्वेज होती है? दिस इज़ इंग्लिश टाइप लैंग्वेज, जिसमें हम अपने प्रोग्राम्स लिखते हैं. प्रोग्राम्स किस में लिखते हैं? प्रोग्रामिंग करने के लिए कौन सी लैंग्वेज चाहिए होती है? हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. सो द आंसर विल बी first means high level language. You can see in your slides also third answer is first, high level language. Okay. So next one is here, what a binary number is called a binary number को क्या बोलते हैं? You all know that this thing. What is the number called binary number? This is called bit. We have discussed this thing also. We have called bit. निबल? नो, निबल तो बिट से भी छोटा होता है. बिट? यस. बिट जो होता है आपका वो सबसे छोटी वैल्यू होती है, निबल उसके बाद आता है. ओके. एंड बाइट? बाइट इज इक्वल्स टू 8 बिट्स. 8 बिट्स मिलकर आपकी 1 बाइट बनाता है. सो आंसर विल बी बिट. You can see in your slides also. Fifth one is a byte consists of how many bits? अभी मैंने आपको बताया 8 bits. So answer will be B, that is 8 bits. No 4 bits, no 16 bits. Only 8 bits. Got it? Next one is fill-ups. What is the first one? Dash is a language processor. कौन सा होता है language processor? जो हमारी language को process करने के लिए use होता है और we can say हमारे program को execute करता है. This is called compiler. Okay, Bachi, we have given the all answer in the slide also, and I'll provide the whole image also by the PDF on your WhatsApp group. You can match over there also. Okay, only understand by this video. First one is compiler is a language processor. Second is assembly language is based on which type of instructions? Assembly language is based on instructions. सब सारी instructions हम assembly language के through pass करते हैं. We can say assembly language किसके ऊपर base होती है? Instructions के. Next is dash is a high level language. High level language कौन सी है? इनमें से जो options दिए हैं, COBOL. COBOL is a high level language. Next is dash number system consists of 10 bits, which we have discussed. In binary number system only 2 values. So this is called binary. Octal 8 values and decimal 10 values, because 0 to 9. 0 is also counting here counted here, that's why decimal number system is equivalent to 10 digits. Okay, next is dash is a fifth generation language. All these options we can see SQL is a fifth generation language. So we have completed here all fill-ups. Okay, next is state true or false. आपको ये जज करना है this is true or false. First one is here, mnemonics are used in fourth level language. Mnemonics कोड किस में यूज होता है आपको याद है कुछ? ये असेंबली लैंग्वेज में, आपको याद है लो लेवल लैंग्वेज में यूज होता है, तो इसको फोर्थ जनरेशन नहीं बोल सकती है. कौन सी जनरेशन थी mnemonics की? सेकेंड जनरेशन. इट वाज सेकेंड जनरेशन लैंग्वेज. नेक्स्ट इज hexadecimal number system is based on 15 digits. Hexadecimal is no, this is 16 digit, 0 to 15. 0 also included here. That's why here is it is also false. It is also false. Next is computer work on machine language. Computer machine language पे तो work करता ही है. It is true. Next, interpreter is used to convert assembly language to machine language. No, interpreter is used for to execute a program, or you can say line by line also. Okay. Binary system is based on 0 and 1s. Yes, it is true. 0 and 1 पर ही base होता है. Next one is here, match the columns. First one is column A and next is column B. Number 1 is compiler. What is compiler बच्चे? Compiler is a language processor. So first answer is the fifth one. Match with fifth one. That is E, means language processor. Here you can see also. Next one is add. Add आप किसमें use करते थे? You have learned what? Language processor. किसमें use करते थे आप? Sorry, language processor assembly language में. असेंबली लैंग्वेज में आप मिनिमोनिक्स कोड यूज़ करते थे ना. मिनिमोनिक कोड ही तो आपका ऐड यूज़ करता है. उसमें ऐड की शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखी जाती है एडिशन के लिए, ऐड. ओके, सो दिस इज टू इज assembly language. Next is PostScript. This is given on your page number 8. What is PostScript? PostScript is a high level language. So answer will be first. Fourth is Visual C++. This is fifth generation language. Okay, the answer will be second. And last one is byte. What is byte? Byte is equivalent 8 bit, so answer will be third. I hope you all are understand these things. You have to learn one more time. After that, if any problem, you can ask me by WhatsApp. Okay, next one is the question answer. First is your short answers. For short ones mean what is a compiler? This is your question which is given in your book on page number 14. A compiler translates a high level language program into machine language at once and execute it if there is no error found. आपको बेटा क्या करना है, ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है आपने बुक में कॉपी में करना है. जो इससे पहले वर्क था आपका बुक एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज यू हैव टू डू इन ओनली बुक, नो नीड टू राइट इन अ कॉपी. ऐसे ही आपने 6th क्लास में किया था. सो द क्वेश्चन आंसर यू हैव टू डू इन अ कॉपी. ओके, write the short answers. First one, question number 1, you can write from your book. Answer you can take here. Okay, a compiler translate a high level language program into machine language at once and execute if there is no error found. अगर कोई एरर नहीं आती उसमें तो वो उसको कंपाइल कर देता है, मतलब आपके हाई लेवल प्रोग्राम को मशीन लैंग्वेज में एक बार में ही कन्वर्ट करके उसको एग्जीक्यूट कर देता है. Next question is, what is low level language? The low level language is which form of binary code? जो बाइनरी फॉर्म में ही होती है और इट इज अंडरस्टूड बाय कंप्यूटर डायरेक्टली, जिसको हमें ट्रांसलेट करने की कोई नीड नहीं होती है, क्योंकि वो पहले से ही वो कंप्यूटर को समझ आ जाएगी, वो बाइनरी कोड में होगी, समझ लेगा कंप्यूटर इजीली, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर व्हाट द नंबर सिस्टम. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय number system? Number system is what? A number system is the way to a number system is a way to representing numbers in different symbols based on type of system. जो आपके टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम है उसके ऊपर बेस होता है और इसमें सारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स के सिंबल्स यूज होते हैं. पूरा सिस्टम हमारा नंबर्स पर रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ओके. Our next question is, what is the basic difference between assembler and interpreter? The assembler translates programs which are written in assembly language. We have already discussed this thing in your video. Assembler is what? Which translate programs which are written in assembly language into machine language, whereas an interpreter converts and execute high level language code to machine language line by line. Means जो आपका assembler है basically वो किस लिए यूज होता है, लो लेवल लैंग्वेज के लिए. यू कैन से दिस थिंग ऑल्सो, क्योंकि वो पहले ही आपका assembly लैंग्वेज को मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करता है. बट इंटरप्रेटर कन्वर्ट्स एंड एग्जीक्यूट हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज कोड टू मशीन लैंग्वेज. वो कन्वर्ट भी करता है और आपका एग्जीक्यूट भी करता है कोड को, बट लाइन बाय लाइन. ओके. मशीन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मशीन लैंग्वेज इज बेस्ड ऑन विच टाइप नंबर सिस्टम? Machine language is based on binary number system. So you all understand this thing. These all are the short answer of you. Next is long question answer. The first one is, write down the different types of computer languages. The first one is here machine language. तो आपको इसमें सारी लैंग्वेजेस इंक्लूड करनी है, उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज योर लॉन्ग आंसर. दैट्स वाई. Machine language is first generation language. Okay, it consists of entirely ones or zeros. Both इसके अंदर आप इसको include करते हो. Next is assembly language or second generation language. Mnemonics codes are used for instructions. इसमें आप क्या use करते हो, mnemonics code use करते हो. Next is high level language or third generation language, which one is, it's called procedural language. इसमें आप प्रोसीजर लिखते हो, मीन्स किसी प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए एक तरीका लिखते हो. मतलब आप कैसे उस प्रोग्राम को रन करोगे, उस प्रोग्राम से क्या रिजल्ट आएगा, उसके लिए क्या स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपने इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखे. दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोसीजर. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज और फोर्थ जनरेशन, मीन्स नॉन प्रोसीजर लैंग्वेज सच एस एसक्यूएल, जिसके अंदर आप सिर्फ किस लिए यूज़ करते हो, आप किसी भी लिखी हुई लैंग्वेज में से क्वेरी लगाने के लिए. क्वेरी मीन्स आपको अपने रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग अपना डेटा रिट्रीव करना है जो आपने ऑलरेडी प्रोग्राम लिखा हुआ है. मीन्स जो आपके पास डेटा है उसमें से कुछ सेलेक्टेड, यू कैन से फिल्टर डेटा फाइंड करना है. ओके. Next is visual programming language or fifth generation language. This is provide a visual or graphic interface. As we have discussed, this thing also means यहाँ पर एक visual graphic आपको show होता है. Got it? Next question is, in your book given, explain various types of number system. The number system is two types. First one is non-positional number system and second one is positional. नॉन पोजिशनल इज जिसकी आपको कोई पोजीशन क्लियर नहीं होती. यूजेज एन एडिटिव अप्रोच, जिसमें यूज होता है एडिटिव अप्रोच के लिए. दिस सिस्टम इज कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेशन कैन नॉट बी परफॉर्म यूजिंग इट. इसमें आपकी कॉम्प्लेक्स और साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म नहीं हो सकती थी. एंड द पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम विच इज कॉल्ड कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिम्बल्स. उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, हम डिजिट्स बोलते हैं. द पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम इज वन ऑफ टाइप्स क्या क्या हैं पोजिशनल नंबर सिस्टम के. फर्स्ट वन इज बाइनरी, which is base is 2, 0 and 1. Okay. Decimal, this is base 10, 0 to 9 numbers over there. Next is octal, that's base is 8 and 0 to 7 numbers are there. Next one is hexadecimal, base is 16 and number allowed 0 to f. You can say 0 to 15 also. You can say only, but you can't write because they will be confused and not retrieve the correct number. After 9 you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. This is called the number system. Okay. Next one is here. The third question, explain binary to decimal conversion. बेटा आपको मैंने जो समझाया था इससे पहले वो वही आंसर था, वही एग्जाम्पल था जो आपकी बुक में गिवन है ऑन पेज नंबर 12. But here I am taking a different example so that you can understand easily. What is the performer for fill it? Binary to decimal conversion by using multiple each binary digit to its respective position weight. जो उसका position का weight होता है उसके respective हमें उसकी multiply करनी होती है. After that, after completion of these things, or we can say the result, we have to add. This will become your answer. So we can take here the example. First one, I have taken different example which is not given in your book. You can understand easily. 1 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary term. We have to convert in what 10 means decimal. Here I have written again 1 1 1 0 0 1. I have to take here 1 this thing and into 2 to the power 0. What is 2 to the power 0 equal to 1? 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So next is same 0 into 2 to the power 1. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5 because here is only 5 digits. 6 digits starting from 0. 2, 0 into 2 to the power 1 is equals to 0. Why? Because it is given 2. It is given 2 but multiply by 0. That's why here is 0. Again 0 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 0. Because ये तो आपका 4 आ रहा था but again हम इसमें किस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे 0 में. That's why 0 is here. Okay. Next is 1 into 2 to the power 3, that is 8. 2 to the 4 to the 8. It is equals to 8. Next is 1 into 2 to the power 4, that is equal to 4, 16. Means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. The 4 time we have to multiply by 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Same as like 2 to the 4 to the 5 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. After that, now add all the results. What? 1 we have to take from here, 0, 0 again, 8, 16 and 32. These all number we have to add and it will come 57. Hence the decimal equivalent of binary is 57 and it is a base of 10. So you can say this is the formula to convert the binary to decimal. Understand? Fine. Next is what? Explain the hexadecimal and octal number system. In this question हमें क्या करना है, hexadecimal और octal को explain करना है. This number system consists of 16 digits 0 to 15. The first 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the digit the numbers of decimal number system rest of 6 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 denoted by character A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. It has a base of 16. Okay. In this system, rightmost position referred as 16 to the power 0. This is position. The second position is referred as 16 to the power 1. And so forth. Fourth तक हमें इसको as it is लेके जाना है. आगे तक मतलब. Octal number system. This number system contains 8 digits 0 to 8. Sorry 0 to 7. Therefore, it is base 8, which means each position in octal number system represent a power of 8 instead of 2. In this system, rightmost position referred as 8 to the power 0 position, the second position referred as 8 to the power 1 and so on. Okay. This is these all are your exam question answer of long question answer here is finished. After that, what you have to do, this is also the book work. Next is brain teasers. The given in your book, which is page number 15. Okay, page number 15. Search for given words in maze and also encircle them. बेटा आपको इसमें सर्च करना है वर्ड कि कौन कौन से हैं. ठीक है, क्या क्या कोड्स ये वाले बन रहे हैं. आपको कुछ कोड दिए हैं वर्क लिस्ट में, वो दिए हुए नेम दिए हैं. आपको इसके अंदर पूरे इस बॉक्स के अंदर जो आपको गिवन बॉक्स दिया है इसमें सर्कल करना है. First one is assembler. Here is assembler, ASSEMBLER till here. Okay. Next is mnemonics. Here is MNEMONICS mnemonics. COBOL. And next one is octal is here. Okay. You can find from here all these things. Next question is given in your book is second, give name of any 4 high level languages. So you can take any type of 4 languages. Here I am taking C, C++, Java and Pascal. These all are your high level languages. Clear बच्चे? Now here I have completed your whole chapter. I hope you all are understand. Read carefully all the answers and fill ups in your book, copy both, and you have to complete your work as soon as possible. Okay बच्चे? Next chapter we will discuss in next class. Thank you beta.